We got clear skies today, guys. So we've become really efficient with electricity and water. What we've been doing, if we have to rinse out or wash dishes or what have you, if we just need some water, we take it from whatever's melted inside the cooler, and we just unhook this and we get water from there. Obviously it's not drinking water, but definitely helps us out to do the things that we need to do. We've been having issues still with our battery, and I've been talking about this in previous videos, but you know, we took it in and they fixed it and it was good for about a month, and then all of a sudden it started acting up again where something is draining the battery, and we really can't figure out what it is. And in these vehicles, for some reason, when you open up the side doors or the back doors, all the lights in the front turn on, and also the tail lights turn on, and they stay on. So that's adding to the drainage, and we just got to figure it out. But basically what we've been doing is we've just been unhooking the battery, and if we're here for the day, we'll just unhook it, and then there's nothing that the battery is being used for, so nothing is draining it, and it's been working out good. We haven't got stuck anywhere. But yeah, so I went ahead and turn on the vehicle, and I'm gonna have it on for a little bit. We just start recharging what we need to recharge. I've got the drone batteries here, and also the controller, and in the front I've got my phone charging. We have these power packs, and I just try to use them the least amount of time as possible, just so we have them in case of any emergencies or what have you. But they've been working really good right now. They're at 100% a piece, and we'll use them. Like I said, we watched the movie last night, so we had that hooked up all night. It's amazing with technology. Me and Gina are baffled sometimes, and we laugh at it because, you know, here you are in the middle of nowhere, you know, and we were watching a movie last night, and it's just amazing. With technology, you have everything at your fingertips right now. I have all the GoPro batteries here. I've got 6 of them, and basically what I did is I just created these little dots on each of them, and what that means is when they need to be charged, they're in red, and when they're in full charge, I've got them in green. So I'm adding all my stickers as we go along. I've got one Find Your Wild. I've got Johnny's. It's a hot dog place in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. I've got my Santa Fe, New Mexico one. Even though we didn't stop at Roswell, we're in New Mexico, so I've got Greetings from Area 51. And also I've got this one here, Pops. That's on Route 66 in Arcadia, Oklahoma. So we're just building them up as we go. Gina's got Happy Camper, Life is Good, and also Route 66. She's also got one from New Mexico. She loved that green chili pepper. Also, we added this in here. Now this here I just made out of a Coca-Cola plastic bottle, and what I did is I went ahead and cut the top and I cut the bottom, put my little sticker on here, Misfits, and basically what you do is just pull the bag out from the bottom and you have your plastic bag, and then when you're done you just put it back in on the top. So that keeps our plastic bags organized. So how are you feeling so far on the trip?
Feeling good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Adjusted to everything that we've been doing?
I think so. I feel like I've kind of found a routine.
Yeah. I always have to go back to these questions because as a woman being out here and doing the things that you are doing, which by the way, you've done a fantastic job.
Thank you.
Being able to adjust. And you know, one thing I gotta say, you look a lot happier.
I am so like relaxed and stress free, and you just feel like you can appreciate things so much more, you know, because you're not so caught up in everything around you, and having to do certain things, and I don't know, you appreciate things a lot more. And
simple things,
the
little
simple
things.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And it's, you know, getting used to getting up and looking like this and being okay with it.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, you look fantastic.
Thank you. And I just wiped my eyes and I still have some chili peppers on my fingers. Now they're tearing. Oh my God.
I was just going to say, are you starting to cry again?
No, it's the chili peppers. Holy crap. No, you know, it's really interesting. You do go through all kinds of different phases of, you know, just being in, like, I don't know, total upheaval, and that feeling of letting go of everything that was familiar and comfortable and finding a new normal.
Yeah.
But once you cross that bridge, it's really awesome.
Looking at this wonderful place, I mean, could be angry.
Yeah, really. But I think too, you know, for us, I mean, we always laugh at the questions people ask us, and you know, are you guys ready to kill each other yet, and all of that. But I think too, in the larger scheme of things, to do something like this, you definitely have to do it with the right partner, you know, because even as little tiny things have come up as you're working through those adjustments, if you don't have the right person next to you who can, you know, be understanding and help support you through that, it could really be a nightmare.
Yeah. Gina got really pissed off and she left me over in Santa Fe because we got into a really bad argument. She left me over there and she left, and I didn't see her for about 4 hours. I mean, she probably went about 200, 300 miles. And then she decided, well, it wasn't so bad, so she came back and picked me up. Just kidding.
Don't believe that.
So we're going to see if we can find a good spot, set up the tripod, and have a live feed here on Facebook at Angel Peak in New Mexico. So this is the entrance to get to Angel Peak. Hey, I feel like I'm at the subway.
No token required.
I've seen some of the trucks that go by here, and I think it's for the gas line is what it looks like. So they must produce gas here, like natural gas maybe, I don't know. But that's what it seems like. Not that many campers. There's another one besides us, and that's it so far. I think we're about 65,000 to 7,000 feet high above ground, so the air is a little dense. Oh, we're just out of shape. Yeah, see, you got these setups over here. Yep, I guessed it right. Warning, high pressure natural gas. So from afar, it looks like getting to the point there. Very thin, but from here you can see it's really not. There is a path, and all the way over there is the castle.
Can't look too far ahead. Those little paths that look so thin make me nervous.
Wow, look at that. So far, by far, this is the best place we've been at. The scenery is just breathtaking. You okay, baby?
Doing good. So far, so good.
I think it gets a little worried about heights.
If it's all like this, I'll be fine.
Yeah, it's going to be.
Just looking across to the little shelter where we started,
yeah,
it already looks like we've come a long way.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
Yep.
Oh, they're starting out.
That'll be a nice slide. Okay, so this one's going to be just a little.
What?
Yeah, just comes right over here. Come on, baby.
Now this makes me nervous.
Nah, you're fine. Definitely don't want to come out here on a rainy day, that's for sure.
be doing this with anybody but you. You keep me calm.
I have that effect on people. So they say. Alright, that's going to be a little climb up.
And we're just going up that way? Yep. Toward that rock?
Yep. And up we go.
Might come down with some of that.
You could just slide down next time when we come back. There is a trail that goes up. I don't know. There is a big rock right here. And you just look at it. And it almost seems like it's holding by a thread. You can see a lot of the rocks are falling over there.
Yeah, even over here. Lots of small ones, but
Feel a little lightheaded. But that is the route that goes all the way up. And we're not going to take that chance. Just to get to it, it's a little rough. So we're not stunt people.
no.
But for the scenery from up here is just gorgeous. I don't really see any need to get up there other than to say that, hey, you made it or you got up there. So the scenery from up there is the same as over here.
Yeah, and look here about halfway down, you just see a collection of all the little pieces that have broken off. Probably from the top there, from the top. Point.
I saw a video. Somebody came here before and it looked a lot taller. So those rocks right there must be from the point.
Yeah. I guess when you think about it, it's standing up there all by itself with no protection. So all the wind and elements just takes a beating.
The castle is so cool over there.
Yeah.
I love just looking at it. Looks like it's almost been carved out. But that's all natural. Get a little winded. Whew. One thing we have not seen out here is animals. No living animals.
No.
To see a rabbit.
I'm so surprised we haven't seen something.
Yeah. I ain't gonna cry like a bitch, but I'm out of breath. Just the air up here is thin. Can't get enough of it. Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed that that trail. And thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you guys. We love you guys. We are committed to keep making videos. We are in the early stages, so as much as or what you can do to support us, we appreciate it. If you're just tuning in and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. That definitely supports the channel. And if you want to get notified of future videos, hit that bell and you'll be notified. GoPro's not really good at night unless you got a flash or a light, but we are ready to go to sleep for tonight.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.